Keola and myself are celebrating. Today is our 39th birthday, and so we are celebrating our birthday being here with all of you tonight. So this bully has been dancing with me for at least half his life. So 20 years, 20 something, 25. 25 of the 39 years, bully's been dancing for me. Well, we could say 30. So this is a test. I love for him to do this number because he does it so well, but there's always a little mistake. And for every mistake he makes, I get a bottle of champagne. Notice that that's gone up. It used to be just a bottle of beer. Yeah. But tonight, because it's special, it's our 39th birthday. Every mistake, a bottle of Clico. Yeah. No, we're not fooling around with that little cheap stuff that you can make for mimosas. I want the French. That's right. Okay, so, no. And Roland, be kind. Boys, have a seat. Roland the bionic finger here. Once he starts on the guitar, you never know how fast it's going to go. So.
How many bottles of champagne do we want?
I will cut hair for you, okay? That way you don't have to pay me at the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, Maika'i, Aloha, That's 1, 5, 6, 7. Come have a seat, Billy. You deserve to have a seat. Okay. So from the almost oldest to the almost youngest, Ka'i, you're up. Now, Ka'i was born here in Hawaii, but then his family took him to be raised in Seattle, and that's when he bought Starbucks. And now he's one of the best latte men that they have. Shall I tell them which one you're at? Okay. On Hawaii is the one that he's at. And he's going to do a song for you now that it's going to just take your breath away. It's one of our favorites. What song are you going to do?
Take my breath away.